Hi! In this video, you will learn how to export all comments from a Word document and import them into an Excel sheet, all automatically. We will cover two different methods of exporting Word comments. Let's see method number 1, Word macros. To begin, you will have to enable the Developer tab in Word. To do that, open the File tab and navigate to the Options menu. Here, go to the Customize ribbon menu. In the list on the right, find the Developer switch. Once you've found it, enable it by selecting it, then click OK. Now, as you can see, a new tab appeared on the Word ribbon, the Developer tab. The next step is to create the macro. To do that, in the Developer tab, select the Macros menu. Here, name your macro, then click Create. If you did everything right, this is what you should see popping up on your screen. This is where you can edit your VBA codes. In the editor, select everything and delete them. To continue, paste the code from the video description into the editor. But we are not done yet. Watch what happens when we launch the macro at this point. We've received an error. This is because one crucial step is missing. We need to establish a reference to the object library of Microsoft Excel. Without that, the macro will not work. First, reset the macro, then click References in the Tools menu. In this list, you need to find the Excel library. The library name will vary depending on the version of Excel you have installed on your machine. Once you've found it, enable it by selecting it, then click OK in the dialog box. Let's try launching the macro and see what happens. We were successful. All comments are here with their respective dates and the initials of the author. Macros can be great if you know how to use and edit them. However, they are not always the ideal solution. In controlled environments, they might be disabled for you by your administrator. This is because some macros can pose a security risk by introducing malicious software to your computer. Also, there are technical constraints. For example, exporting the page number where a comment is located is very hard with macros. In documents spanning even more than 100 pages, speed and stability will start becoming an issue. This is why we recommend method number 2. This method involves using the OnStyle add-in, which provides many writing tools. With this tool, you can completely get around macros, and it only takes one click to export. Let's see how it works. On the OnStyle tab, navigate to the Export drop-down menu. Here, select the Export Comments to Excel option. That's all it took to export all comments from your document with OnStyle. You receive a well-formatted table with columns containing comment IDs, comment pages, comment scope texts, and all other important information you might need. OnStyle is the safe, accessible, reliable, and fast alternative to slow and complicated legacy methods. If you'd like to know more about the OnStyle add-in, visit the website through the link in the video description. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to leave a comment telling us how you export document comments. See you soon!